Hello, good afternoon or good morning, depending on where you're at. Welcome to a new daily from the Lambda Ethereum execution team. Let's get this started. Tomas, do you want to go first?
Yeah, sure. So yesterday I was working on Longer reorgs state transition part, but I got blocked because we currently access the tries using the block number, the state tries. And this basically assumes that we only take state for canonical blocks. And precisely for longer reorgs, I need to potentially add access to multiple, but at least one non-canonical block. So I got blocked by that. So I put that PR in standby and took a different issue, which was already created, to support getting the state for non-canonical blocks. So I'm now working on a new PR exactly for that. And it's a kind of small one. So I hope that I can get it ready for today. And if not, tomorrow morning, but for sure before tomorrow's daily. And once I get that finished, I'll go back to the longer reorgs.
All right, great. Thank you. Fran?
Well, yesterday I focused mostly on the F new filter endpoint. I think I'm almost done, but I'm not quite sure on how I would test this since it's not seem to have tests for this. I have tried running our make target with it filtering only for this endpoint, and there doesn't seem to be tests, or maybe I haven't looked well enough. But anyway, when I finish this, I think the next thing to do is the get filter changes, since when you use the new filter endpoint, it installs a filter that then you use with this other endpoint called get filter changes. So it's a follow-up of this. And also today I want to take a bit of time into checking some PRs, doing some reviews if there are any to review. And that's it on my side.
Okay, cool. Just a reminder that there's some comments on your other PR for get logs. So it would be nice if we get that in today. I think it's very close. But
Sure, I'll look into it first thing.
okay, cool. Thank you. Esteban?
Yep. I'm still working on trying to fix the cryptographic problem I have regarding the communication when the initiator is the other party. I made some progress, but still could not find the issue. Yeah, not much progress so far.
Okay, cool. As for me, I've been I took some PR to be able to set like the database by default if you don't send a specific path, and also added a command to delete the database. So that's ready for review. And I've noticed, or something that's unblocked with this is right now we just have basically one command which initiates the node with the Genesis file. It potentially imports blocks, and then it also runs the node. But one thing that other nodes have, I think it makes sense as well, is to have different commands. For example, one to initiate the node with the Genesis file, and potentially we could mix that with importing or have another one, and then like a different one to just start a node, so that you don't have to actually start every node from scratch. You can just have something on the database, and you want to kind of, have the node running again based on the information that we have on the database. So I'll be working on dividing some like having everything in one command, and instead having a few subcommands, maybe just 2 or 3. But I think it makes more sense. Also, sometimes you want to just import some blocks without actually starting the node. So yeah, I'll be working on that. I also have been doing reviews, specifically the stuff Federica worked on regarding the input transaction, which is pretty long. So yeah, that's it for me. Yeah, do you guys have something else before we call it? All right. See you. Have a happy Tuesday.